Hey guys, I'm Daniel from Woodworking with Dash, and today we got another 5 boxes in 3 minutes. Come on guys, let's go! Box number 1 is one of my statement pieces, Blackwood and Hue and Pine. What a great box guys, with a black interior, it just pops. Got a tab handle and 2 little Paduke wings next to the handle. They just go to make this box a standout. Look at that guys. Look at the shape of that box too. The curved shape. It's a great box. Let's move on. Box number 2 is a really unusual box. I call it the fan box. But you just go there each side and you can put your rings and your earrings in each tray. It's made up of 8 different timbers. We've got Blackwood on the bottom, Australian Kari, Paduke, Wenge, Silky Oak, Fijian Mahogany, Sobrano and Jarrah. Now that's a box guys, now that's a very unusual box. It just, I'm going to say the word again, well it does, it really does pop. Look at that guys, look at that. It just is, it's it in a bit guys. It's it in a bit. Let's move on. Box number 3 is a double stack jewellery box made of tether oak with a resin inlay, a blue resin inlay in the front. And a redwood tray. It's got a bottom compartment to hold all your necklaces. And the top is very unusual. It's made of Australian beech and Fijian Kari. Look at that guys. It just is. I like it a lot. Let's move on. This box number 4 is a teak box with the Jarrah and Pine curved topper. It's got a black interior with a redwood tray, and the top is made of Jarrah and tether oak. Look at that guys, it's got small feet on the bottom of it. Not a big box, but it's a good box. I like it a lot. Let's move on. Box number 5 is a fairly big box, 3-drawer unit, made of sugar pine, the old sugar pine. It's got tether oak front and a spotted gum top. Got 3 drawers with a red interior and small feet. I like it. All the corners are rounded over and everything is flush trimmed. I like it a lot guys. Let's move on. Guys, please subscribe and check out my channel for more gorgeous boxes like this. I make a new box every week. Check it out guys. See ya.